Hi there, I'm Chase. I'm Chase Fly. I'm with Delair. We're a French company based out of Toulouse, and we're here with Exertis at the Exertis booth today at Integrate 2019. This is the Delair UX11. It's a fixed-wing mapping drone. So it's got a camera embedded inside, and what you use it for is to create maps from photos. It's fully automated. There's an easy workflow. It's connected via cellular connectivity as well, so you can control it over Wi-Fi or cellular. You create a flight plan, you go through a pre-flight checklist, you launch it by hand into the air, it does its mapping, it lands, you take the photos and put them in our cloud-based platform called Delair Aerial Intelligence or Delair.ai. And that takes the images, stitches them together to create maps, and then you can take measurements, share the data among your organization and externally, and get the information you need out of it. More information can be available on our website at exertisaustralia.com.